Today we are making this beautiful roasted lemon herb chicken. Guys, this is going to be an awesome ride. So, are you with me? Let's do it. Look at this. So, let me tell you, before we start, I want to thank you all. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. We reached over 500 subscribers and I'm very excited. I'm so happy and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Here I have a 5.5 pound whole chicken, clean and pat dry. So we are gently loosening the skin so that we can add flavor underneath. I started doing this already, so just get in nice and easy. You don't want to break the skin. You're just going to go around the breast, especially in the legs and thighs. So we are going to make, yes, sure that this is nice and loose. We're going to go on this side too. We go on this side as well. Just get your finger nice and easy. Go inside, gentle, beautiful. That is perfect. You can try this way if you want. There you go. I have here 6 ounces of butter, room temperature, and I'm going to be putting some of the beautiful herbs. So we are using garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, about 10 grams of cilantro, 15 grams of celery, and about 15 grams of parsley. Everything nice and fresh. I'm also going to be putting lemon pepper, about a tablespoon, and also some extra salt. So let's go ahead and mix this very well because this beautiful mixture is going in the chicken. I also going to be putting some lemon juice. Oh, that's beautiful. Take the spatula and go inside. All the way. Push it in. This is beautiful. You can go ahead and play it on the top. Just like that. Let's go on the celery. Feel free to use your hands. But sometimes you just don't have to, depending on the spatula or the spoon that you are using. This is looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers now because I'm going to put a little through here. The butter on the top is going to help the chicken get nice and golden. Let me go in the cavity and make sure that the flavor is all spread nice. I have a quarter of a large onion that's going in the cavity. Half of an apple, nice red apple. That is all going in. That's going to keep the chicken nice and moist inside. I'm going to put a couple slices of lemon. That's beautiful. And I'm also going to put some herbs. So we're going to be putting celery. Yes, push it in. I have celery, parsley, cilantro. Just take a little piece of string. Make sure you bring it down here underneath the breast. Bring it up. This is how I like to do it. Then I do a little knot on each one to secure that they are nice and tight. And then bring it up. Okay? Let's tie it up nice and let's make sure we tie it well. Just cut whatever is extra, and what that is going to do by tying it up like this, guys, is it's going to help us make sure that we get a nice even cooked chicken. This is the baking pan that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be putting it in. Let's go ahead, and because we don't want the tip of the wing to burn, so we're going to go ahead and put it inside underneath the breast. Just take them in just like that. Perfect. Just push the wing in, and that will help to preserve it so they won't burn. This bird is looking beautiful. What I'm gonna do, I just gonna go ahead and put a little more butter on top. I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I want the marinade to get into the meat. I normally don't like to just go ahead and put the chicken in the oven right away. So it's a choice. It's up to you. You can go ahead and do it. The marinade is all set. It's beautiful. It will work, but I'm used to wait. So I'm gonna just give it a couple hours and then we'll proceed. Okay, this is going in the oven, 375 degrees for an hour and a half. Always cook until the temperature reaches about 165 on the thicker part of the chicken. So let's go ahead and put this bird in the oven. Now that the chicken is in the oven, I think it's called for a little celebration. Thank you so much for your support. We are over 500 subscribers. Our channel is growing. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. God bless. I made myself a strawberry lemon drop martini. Cheers. Wow, this is awesome. Woo. Oh, wow. Look at that. Delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my video, and to check my next video. God bless. See you guys in the next video. Let's eat.